Let's take a quick look at a relatively simple lighting upgrade you can do for your vehicle. Now, in this particular 96 Mustang, we're going to go ahead and install this upgraded headlight harness here. So this is relatively simple. Somebody's already gone in here and broken off one of the tabs on the original headlight harness. So I'm going to simply pull that up. Now, if you look at the wiring thickness on this original one compared to our upgraded one, the upgraded one is much heavier duty. And so what that's going to do now is, because this is a source of heat and also some resistance, which results in additional heat, we're now going to install this pigtail here. In some cases, if there's already been damage done, you can go ahead and cut the old one, cut the new one, and splice them together there. But now, by simply installing this heavier harness here in line, now we've helped reduce the resistance and the potential for wires melting here. So you can see it's a very quick, easy little upgrade to do. And anytime you're replacing a headlight bulb, it's also a great idea to go in and update and install this little additional harness there. Hopefully now you understand the benefit of installing this new high temp harness.